Well, it's supposed to be Sunday fun day here on the farmstead, but Mama is sick today, so she's resting up, and I'm doing something in the tunnel today. I had some plants that I needed to plant that were given to us, and also I have something I made, which Wranglerstar gave me a little tip on. It's really cool. Not sure if any of y'all check out Wranglerstar, but he made these cool wood crayons. Put a hole in there, and you shove the crayon in there, and then you carve the crayon out. Really cool. So I'm gonna make a little set for my son and enjoy those. But I had to use wood glue because the hole was a little too big. It worked just fine. So we got some plants, some strawberry plants from my neighbor. She dropped them off, and she had them in this little tidy cat thing, and it was really cool. We were really happy to see those on our porch. But I had to get them planted, and I want to, overwinter them as long as I can. So I put them in the tunnel in this cone area that I'm not using. I'm also probably going to put some cilantro in here, make it kind of a herby area during the winter. So we'll see how that works out. There was a frog in here too. Let's see if it's still in there. I emptied the contents out, and doesn't appear there's the frog in there anymore, I think. Oh, that's him right there. Hey, little buddy. Yep. I have another frog inside that area over here, and so they help me with my pests in here. There are a lot. So we'll see how the strawberry plants go. We just love our strawberries, and this seems to be a really good variety. I don't know which one it is, but we have some other ones that were growing outside, and they're doing really well. They're extending all their arms out, and so it seems to work out well for these particular plants. As for the arugula, it is going strong. I did some weeding yesterday, not so much over here, but I did some in this area and outside. The spinach still it hasn't sprouted yet, so we're waiting on that. But pumpkins are starting, and we're happy about that. Mama loves her pumpkins. She wanted these really bad, so we're excited about this. Look at those guys. See them right there, right? The beets aren't doing so hot over here, but the Brussels sprouts, they love the cooler weather, so they're starting to take off. There's another weed I gotta take out right here. Just walk over here, and these grasshoppers are everywhere. And apparently, another person told me that there's quite a lot this season. This is my first time out here, so I never knew about what, these I heard a frog over here. He's talking with me, I guess. He likes my voice, maybe. He's It's right over here someplace. Anyways, I saw my son and I heard one over near the front door as well. So the frogs are out and about. I guess they like this time of year. So that's my take on using every bit of space that you can. Put, little things, your herbs in these small areas. And then of course, if you have larger areas, plant more as much as you can. Combine it all in there. If it's a quick yielding crop, get it in, get it out. Right now is a good time to, if you want to put some seeds in right away, get them germinated before the winter comes. If you get some serious frost, it's good to get them in there. If you have some kind of a cold frame, definitely start them now and maybe close them up for a day or two to try and get them kind of more germinated quick. It worked in my my environment and my context, so try it out. Hope you guys like this content. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Keep growing, you guys.